Hello there viewers, welcome back to the channel. The recipe for six-pack abs isn't all that complicated. If you're looking to train your abs, the good news is that there are a huge variety of exercises that will help you achieve that goal. In today's video, we will talk about the best abs workout. Before we start the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. So let's get started. Number 1. Scissors exercise. The scissors ab exercise is a core move that focuses on working and targeting your transverse abdominals. This exercise acts as a foundation for other ab-specific moves. Start lying on back with arms next to side and legs point straight into the air above hips. Press low back into mat so abs are tight. Then lower right leg a few inches from the mat. As you raise your right leg, begin lowering your left leg the same way. Continue switching right and left for the desired number of reps. Number 2. Hanging leg raise. This is an exercise that targets the rectus abdominis, hip flexors, and external obliques. Hanging leg raises are a great introduction to ab exercises. To perform hanging leg raises effectively, grab a pull-up bar making a V shape with your arms and lower yourself into a dead hang. Put your feet together and raise your legs until they are perpendicular to your torso while keeping them straight. Slowly lower your back to the starting position. Number 3. Deadbug. This slow and controlled move strengthens and stabilizes without the threat of neck strain. This exercise is also good for posture and easing lower back pain. Start lying on back with arms extended towards the ceiling in line with the shoulders and legs bent to 90 degrees. Keep low back pressed into the floor, engage abs, and slowly raise and lower right leg until heel nearly touches the floor and left arm until your hand almost touches floor overhead at the same time. Pause, then return to start and repeat on the opposite side. That's 1 rep. Continue for 30 to 60 seconds. Then immediately continue to next move. Once you have completed all 3 of your exercises, rest for 15 to 30 seconds, then repeat. Number 4. Abs rollout. To build a rock-hard six-pack, you need to push your abs muscles to limit to force them to grow. And there are few exercises that test your core as hard as abs rollout. The more effort you put in, the quicker and more impressive the results will be. Kneel in front of the ball with your forearms resting on the top of it. Extend your arms to roll the ball away from you, using your abs to stay balanced. Roll the ball away as far as you can without losing your form. Then pull it back with your forearms. Number 5. Hanging knee raise. If you're trying to sculpt a six-pack, you should do hanging knee raise. This exercise alone will build abs in a short period. It's one of the best workouts because as well as working your lower abs, it also activates your entire core to develop strength in the deep-lying stabilizing muscles of your midsection. Start in a dead hang and raise your knees powerfully to activate more muscle fibers in the lower abs. Lower back to the start under control to prevent swinging. Here we end up for today. Will you start doing these workouts from tomorrow? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.